you doing today? We're at the racetrack. Nah, that ain't me, man. I'm like Bill Stein, just nonchalant. Anyway, it's been a long time. It's always been a long time dealing with me. But yeah, the summer hit. It's like 1,000 degrees in Texas. If you've been in Texas, you know what I'm talking about. It's like the second hottest summer on record here in Dallas. Yeah, if you can't tell by my color here, a little dark this year. Got a good tan going on, but yeah, summer hit, man. Been on vacation. Spent some time in Louisiana with the in-laws and family. Went fishing. Tried to run from a gator, but you know I'm tough, so I couldn't look like I was running, but I was stepping closer and closer to the truck, watching the gator. uh, but yeah, a lot happened. Came back home and caught the COVID, so that's why we ain't been racing. Just getting over that. And then, while I'm getting over COVID, we ordered a data logger, which I'm gonna drop a video. This video, I'm gonna show the install process. I'm gonna drop like a review type video and show y'all the in or outs, how it's working, and hopefully it works out for us and helps us go faster because a lot of people talk about losing weight on COVID. I put on a good 15, COVID 15, not 19, but yeah, I put on some weight. See y'all. But I mean, said I've been stuck in the house. You know that TikTok where everybody be like, "I'm outside." Nah, I ain't outside no more. I caught that stool. Can't cuss because my mama watched this. But I caught that stuff the last time I was outside. So I'm inside eating. Yep. So that's why we need this data logger to get a better tune up in the car and counteract this weight I done gained. So yeah, just wanted to tell y'all that, and I'm gonna drop the video. It's gonna be real quick. I try to get another one out here in the next couple days and get back on my weekly videos. You know what I'm saying? And I start wrapping the Camaro. You'll see that a little bit. It'll be about that. That'll be the end of the video, and I think that's about it. We see y'all in a couple days. Probably by the weekend, I get this innovative data logger figured out. So once I get it figured out, it'll be another video showing y'all how everything works. So I was actually under the hood trying to hook up like oil pressure and coolant temperature to the data logger, and found that the steering was broke. And I mean, hell, I can tell you last time out. I mean, it always drives like it drives. I've learned to watch the road and not the steering wheel because the steering wheel will have you all over the place. But I don't know if it was broke last time out or just broke. I don't know. But thank the man upstairs. It's all in one piece, and we found it 0 mile an hour in the backyard, and not, 120 on the big end in high gear. Try this paint this dent repair on the Camaro. And glue that to the car. Screw it in this, pop it out. Hot glue gun. Glue stick. If it don't work, I want my $20 back, Amazon. I think it actually worked. I can see it came out. You see it suck back in when I let it go. So I just ordered a little bit of this pearl white to see what it looked like, and I kind of liked it. So now I need to order a lot of it and do like a big section. So far, I just got the mirrors and the doors done. Probably have enough left to do the wings. So.
Never made it, but I know I